Welcome to my channel, and today I'm very happy to receive my first 360 degrees action camera, the Insta 360-1X, and I'm going to do an unboxing for it right away. Other than that, I have this one. This is very important, the Insta 360 selfie stick. This is very special, which it will become invisible in the video. Later I'm going to do some demonstration for it and see how it goes. I have this, the dual battery charging dock, which you can charge 2 batteries at one go. These are the 2 batteries that come with it. Other than that, of course, we need the memory card. This is SanDisk Extreme 64GB, and the speed is pretty fast, 160 megabyte per second. It's very fast for this fast action camera. And alright, let's do the unboxing now. Okay, I'm gonna do the unboxing for this Insta 360-1X camera. First of all, you find this. There's this sticky thing here. Just have to open it. Ayah. So sticky. My nails is too short to open it. Okay, I got the corners. Alright, this part open up. Then the other part also. So sticky again. I think I will need a scissors. Can be even. Why is it so sticky? Okay, finally I got the corners. I'm gonna open it up. For you guys at home, probably you can use a scissors. Okay. Ta-da! This is it. Okay, what do I have inside? Let's take it out. This is it. Looks like that for the front, and this is the back. Okay, what else in the box? Let's pour it out. Let's see, what is this? Oh, this is the wire. I think this wire is for charging. Yes, it's for charging. If you want to have your battery in the device itself, you can use this to charge using your computer or any USB port. Alright, and then how about this? What is this? Let's see. Oh, this is the string. Oh, this is for swinging your 360-1X in the air when you do some creative shots. And then what else do we have in the box here? Oh, the battery. You have the battery. But this box, it comes with only 1 battery. You have a pouch to put your device in it. And yes, We have some stickers. Okay, and this one, more stickers. Stickers. Oh yes, capturing bullet time shots. See, so this string here is for capturing bullet time shots. Later I will try to do some shots with the string. And you have this one, what's included. And this is the quick start guide. That's all for what's in the box. Okay, now I'm going to charge the batteries. Okay, next you need to open this up. There's a side lid here that you can use your nails, press it open, and it's spring open. Look, this is for putting your batteries in. Oops. Is it the correct side or put it wrongly? Should be to this side. Okay? Okay, there's a sticker here which you need to open it up. And you see this little slit here. This is for putting your micro SD card. And this is where you can actually put your selfie stick. Screw your selfie stick here. Okay. Now I'm going to quickly open up this micro SD card. I have a scissors. I'm gonna open it up. This is the adapter for putting your micro SD card when you want to download your files onto your computer. This is the micro SD card. Let me cut it open. I have some difficulties opening things up today. What's going on? Okay, I finally got it open. Okay. Alright, I'm going to insert my micro SD card into this device. Let me see which way. Okay, just insert it in and gently with your fingernail you press it in. Okay, there you go. Okay, this is the selfie stick. Let me open the selfie stick and show you how does it look like. There you go, nicely wrapped up. It looks just like any other selfie stick in the market. But the amazing thing for this selfie stick is when you attach it to this device and you do your filming, this selfie stick will become invisible. It means you can't even see this selfie stick in your video. And I'm going to show you later in my video how it is done. Now I just have to charge the battery and I'm ready to go. Now let me show you this dual battery charging dock. I'm going to open it up. I'm gonna use the scissors for this. I finally found my scissors. Okay, that's great. I'm gonna open it up. And ta-da! It looks like this. This is very small. And it's very convenient to bring anywhere, like going to overseas or travel. Right. See? It's so small. Okay, and what else is it in this box? This is the plug, and this is the wire. So this goes here, and here this one goes here. That's it. Goes here, and you can charge 2 batteries at one go. These are the 2 batteries. I'm going to charge and take some videos. Look at this. This pouch is very special. See, it comes with a stripe. You can actually put your Insta361X into it, and then you can hang it around your neck. Ta-da! Okay, one more thing. If you need to look for the serial number of your Insta361X, you just look under the box. You can see all these numbers here. These are the serial number. And I'm going out to play with my new camera. Bye! Thank you for watching my video. Please like my video and share my video, and also please subscribe to my channel. I see you again. Bye!